Hello and welcome back to the Auto Traction channel. You can see daily videos only on Auto Traction channel. Let's talk about a name that continues to define the crossover. SUV space, the 2026 Honda CR-V. It's one of those vehicles that never tries to be flashy or aggressive, but wins you over by doing everything right. Honda has refined the CR-V year after year, and now, with the 2026 model, they've truly created something that's smarter, roomier, more efficient, and more durable than ever before. From the outside, the design of the 2026 CR-V is both subtle and assertive. The body has been slightly stretched to increase cabin space without making the vehicle bulky. It rides on a widened stance with a bolder front grille and sleeker LED headlights that blend into the sculpted lines of the hood. It's modern, clean, and unmistakably Honda timeless styling that won't feel outdated in just a few years. But where this SUV really shines is under the hood and inside the cabin. The 2026 CR-V comes with two engine options, a refined 1.5-liter, turbocharged 4-cylinder, and the next-gen hybrid powertrain that takes fuel efficiency to a whole new level. The hybrid now delivers an impressive 44 miles per gallon in the city, and just over 40 on the highway, putting it right at the top of its class. Whether you're commuting daily or road tripping across the country, this SUV makes every drop. A fuel count. Inside, you'll immediately notice the massive improvement in space. Honda has carved out more rear legroom, added extra headroom, and increased the cargo capacity to over 76 cubic feet, with the rear seats folded flat. It's perfect for growing families, gear haulers, pet lovers, and weekend adventurers alike. You sit up high with a commanding view, and the seats offer long-haul comfort with redesigned cushions and improved lumbar support. Technology-wise, the CR-V continues to impress. You get a large 10.2-inch digital driver display and an updated 9-inch touchscreen in the center console with seamless wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Navigation is crisp, inputs are responsive, and the user interface is intuitive enough for even the least tech-savvy drivers. Wireless charging, multiple USB-C ports, and a premium sound system elevate the everyday driving experience. But it doesn't stop there. Honda's legendary long-term durability is front and center. The chassis uses ultra-high-strength steel in key areas, and the underbody has been sealed to better protect from road salt and corrosion. The suspension components are tuned not just for ride quality, but to resist wear and tear over long miles. The CVT transmission has been recalibrated for smoother performance. And brake pad wear is reduced through improved regenerative technology on hybrid models. And then there's Honda Sensing standard across all trims. You get adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, and a new traffic jam assist feature that reduces driver fatigue in stop-and-go conditions. Safety isn't optional, it's built in. Driving the 2026 CR-V feels like second nature. Steering is light but confident, cornering is stable, and visibility is excellent. Even though it's not a performance SUV, acceleration is quick enough to make merges and passes with ease, especially in the hybrid variant with its electric torque boost. The cabin is whisper quiet thanks to added insulation and acoustic glass, making every drive calm and relaxed. Another highlight is the flexible interior layout. The rear seat backs recline, fold in a 60/40 split, and even slide slightly to let you adjust between legroom and cargo space. There's hidden storage beneath the trunk floor, and the low load height makes packing easier, whether you're loading groceries, luggage, or a full-size stroller. If you're wondering about trims, the 2026 CR-V comes in LX Sport, XL, and Touring. The Sport and Touring trims feature the hybrid system, with a Touring offering, a WD, and a panoramic moonroof, along with real leather seats and ambient interior lighting. There's a trim for everyone: budget buyers, tech lovers, families, and even eco-conscious commuters. And the best part? You don't have to worry about whether it'll last. This is a Honda. The powertrain is built to easily surpass 200,000 miles with routine maintenance. Resale value remains high, parts are readily available, and ownership cost stays low over time. It's not just a vehicle, it's a long-term investment in reliability, So is the 2026 Honda CR-V exciting in the way a sports car is. No, but it's exciting in how thoroughly it gets everything right. Comfort, efficiency, dependability, space, safety. Technology, it checks every box. It doesn't scream for attention, it earns it by quietly outperforming expectations every single day. Thanks for watching the Auto Traction channel. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, share, leave your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe. We've got more car reviews, comparisons, and future tech breakdowns coming your way daily, right here. See you in the next one. If you like this video, kindly don't forget, like, share, comments, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next video.